Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to make it so you can right click to aim down the sights and fire the gun. So we already did it, I believe, with the police officer for the animation. Let's check this out. Has target. Right. Okay, so let's do it this way. We'll go to our human, base human. We'll add a new variable, aiming weapon. That'll be false, and then here we'll get this, or get aiming weapon. We'll rename has target to aiming weapon so we know what's going on. Aiming weapon. Compile, save. Now, in our human controller, we're gonna do in the event graph Alt fire, which is just right mouse button, I believe. Should be anyway. Control human. Set aiming weapon to true. Whoops, other way around. So let's go pick up a weapon and see if that works. Doesn't, of course. So let's go figure out why. Where's the custom anim folder? There it is. Works there. So maybe we just didn't set up the inputs for alt fire. Go to project settings, input, alt fire, yep. Right mouse button. Alright. Should work now. Let's also move our guy a bit closer so we don't need to make that stupid run every single time. Alright, so that works. Looks like we're getting some errors with our weapons though, which is unfortunate. Alright, so what's going on? Instigator, controller. So our instigator isn't being set properly, I guess. We'll go to our weapons. Instigator, get attached parent actor, get attached parent actor. Right, so the reason, okay, so what's going on here, just in case you're confused, the reason we're getting the attached parent actor twice is because in VR, it picks up, it attaches to the motion controller, not the parent actor. So let's do some casts. So cast to BP motion controller. If that's true, then we want to get the attached parent actor and do that. No, let's do it this way. Convert to a pure cast, and we'll select so if this is true, then we want to get the attached parent actor of that. Otherwise, we just want to get the attached parent actor. think that'll work, maybe. Nope, of course not. Alright, so we're gonna have to do it the hard way, I guess. Cast TBP motion controller. If that cast is successful, so we'll just do, we'll just control C this. So if that cast is successful, then we will get the attached parent actor and connect to this. We'll set that to the owner. Otherwise, if that cast fails, we'll just get the attached parent owner. Cast on. Alright, let's see if that works. Looks like it works. Okay, so that's that. We could, just for the sake of convenience, I'm gonna add an offset to the camera. Yeah, let's do it in the base human. Go to human, base human. Just close some of this stuff here. Spring arms, we'll add 55. Also want it a little bit of a downturn. Just 5. Maybe bit of an off-the-shoulder look too. Yeah, that is. Bit easier to see now, kind of. Oh no, why are you frozen? Not good. Not what we want. Let's just make sure that things are alright with that. Whoops, there we go. Alright, you're still running away. Alright, I guess it's probably because she was ordered to go to a spot she can't access. Because one of the problems we're having, I'll just hit P so you can see the navigation, is this problem. There's only navigation on the crosswalks and the sidewalks. They can't actually go on the roads right now. And I'm trying to find a solution to that. It's because we're using they have to have dynamic obstacle on to be able to use the area class to create obstacle area, which stuff can walk on, but it's just less likely to. But if you have that on, then it turns off all pathing on it. So I'm not sure what the solution to that is. If anyone knows, it'd be amazing if you could help. But anyway, so right, there was something else. All right, entering vehicles. So for the VR stuff, I'll just go into the human controller. Where is it? Enter vehicle, interact. Right, so when we interact, which is enter vehicle, you want to get all the motion controllers, get all actors of class BP motion controllers, and reverse for each of them, destroy them, and then set left hand and right hand to nothing, and then uncall the vehicle stuff. And for leave vehicle, you want to do the same thing. On leave vehicle, get all motion controllers, reverse for each loop, destroy them, set left and right hand to false. And then I believe we have in the vehicles setup VR. When setup VR is called, if left and right hand don't exist, if they're not valid, then we want to spawn BP motion controllers for it. And the reason for this is kind of messy. Like, we should just do this once probably, but it's because the motion controllers get attached to either the player human or the vehicle. and you have to move them around, and it's just easier to just get them and destroy them and spawn new ones. So that's why I do that, and that'll take care of the problem where you have multiple hands spawning. And yeah, so I hope that's clear. So let's make these cops a bit more interesting. Colors. E4 police. Right, so let's let's just move to a random spot. Where was the can't remember where I put the code to go to within range of the human. Sorry, I'm just trying to remember where I put things. All right, I guess I put it on the human police. Yeah, event any damage, move to within the player. So we want to move this stuff to behavior tree, because as you can see, I'm confused by my own code, which is just awful. This stuff should all be on behavior tree. So we should do that, but that'll take some time, so we'll do that in the next video. My dogs are barking, so I should go let them out. But for now, I'll just make this a bit better. Let's make the acceptance radius like 500. Probably use pathfinding, I guess. Continuous goal tracking. I haven't used that before, but that sounds interesting, so we'll turn that on. And let's go to our weapons, VP-based weapon, and let's make it spawn a little explosion emitter, just for so we know when the weapon's firing. So we'll do spawn emitter at location, and yeah, we can just get this break transform. Whoops. Break transform location, rotation, and I believe yeah, just explosion is fine. We're gonna want to scale that down though. Set world scale 3D. There's a little trick you can do for this. You float, and probably 0.25 is good. Now human police on move finished. We'll want to get our weapons. So get child. Oops. Get child actors. Get all child actors for each loop. Cast to base weapon. And set wants to fire to true. And that's a bit messy for now, but just so we can get the police firing at us, we'll do this. Alright, so let's... Whoops. She's in range. Right, so she's following us. And she's pointing her gun when she's in range, but she's not firing. We'd know it because we'd see the explosion silliness, which is just a little too large, so we'll set that to 0.1. This is just so we can at least see when the police want to fire. Get all trial actors. Kind of surprised that's not working. I guess because it's continuous goal tracking, it's not going to be counted as finished. So let's just not be lazy and see if we can actually fire at the player. Oh, this is off any damage. See, this is so lazy. We need to not do this. We need to move it on behavior tree. But for now, we'll just get targets. Is valid. Get distance to other actor less than. Let's promote the acceptance radius to variable. Attack range. It's less than attack range. We're gonna want to. We can call our weapon code now, which we deleted, which is unfortunate. We can just get this. Get child actor. Cast to weapon. Set wants to fire to true. Actually, we can just connect this. So if it's within range, we'll want to fire. A bit lazy, but it'll do for now. Alright, so let's test this out. We can hit them. Jeez. Alright, so the police are firing at us now, which is something. They're still not rotating, so let's fix that up. I need to remember if we're using controller rotation yaw. Okay. Use controller desired rotation. Okay, so we want to set our controller rotation. Set control rotation. Get controller. Set control rotation. So if this is true, we'll do a sequence first of all. If it's less than 500, we'll do look at rotation. We'll get actor location for our target, and for self, we'll just get actor location. Now it should, the cops should look at us when we're close to them now. Or not. Wonder if it's because of the movement. Huh. Let me just go check something real quick. Hmm. Wasn't there a spot where we set some of this stuff? Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So we don't want this. Get rid of this. It's gonna mess with some stuff though, but let me just see. Use controller desired rotation. Use controller raw. Or yaw. Add rotation. Okay, so let's try this. Probably gonna walk funny. Yeah. Let's see if it at least works the other way though. Doesn't even work that way, really? Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. How are we gonna do this? Let's reconnect all this. Oh. Ah, boy. Alright, let's just put this stuff back. It was working better before. Okay, so that's for player controllers. Okay. Need to make it so this weapon aims up more. It's always like shooting at the ground. Hard to hit things. Okay, now it's working. We just need to add uh negative 90, I guess. Right. Actually, we don't want to update those. So minus 90. Yeah. And you know what? Let's actually fix up the weapons because it's kind of bothering me. So when we pick it up, we'll do it. Pick up weapon OVR. So we want to add some pitch. So let's make this 8. That might do it, maybe. Alright, whoop. He killed me. Alright, well that's good. It's good. Alright. Let's make it so that it takes a little more damage when you're human, because he killed me a little too fast. We'll go to the weapon, make its damage a variable. What's a variable? Damage. Damage. And it's 20 now, we'll make it 9. Alright, in the next video, we're going to make the weapons a lot better, because it's really not fun to play with right now, where it just shoots out of the muzzle forward. It's really hard to hit stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it so there's a line trace. I'm like pointing at my screen, which is stupid. We make a line trace from our camera forward, and wherever that hits is where the weapon will aim at. And it'll make it a lot more satisfying to play with. So for now, we can... Alright, so... And yeah, as you can see, it's starting to come along, but it's not exactly fun or good. So in the next video, we'll make it more fun and good. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.